They're also dealing with the stark and sad reminder of just how dangerous this situation is. County Executive Mark Poloncarz reporting this afternoon that 2 men in Erie County have died after suffering heart attacks while shoveling or removing snow from around their homes. The message tonight from county officials: know your limits, leave the snow removal for another day if it's too much.
It can be very, very dangerous for some individuals, people who have high blood pressure, people who have any type of cardiac history, to go out and shovel the snow, especially right now when the snow is so heavy because it's so wet. That the combination of the cold weather and the extra exertion of the force that you're using to try to shovel the snow is too much for somebody's heart, and that has any type of other cardiac issues like high blood pressure or any other type of cardiac issues. So please, just let your driveway fill up with snow, or there's really nowhere to go right now, or you can hire, say, a younger person from your neighborhood, give them a few bucks, and they can clear your driveway.